measures in relation to corporate activities that affect the environment as well as environment-related impacts on the corporations. We, the alternative team, believe that EMA disclosure is too much to be included in financial reporting disclosure due to several reasons. Today, as first speaker, I will be talking to you about the burdensome of EMA. Our second speaker will be talking about the high cost in implementing EMA. Our third speaker will be talking about the immature of EMA techniques and sum up our case. I will start my point with the burdensome of EMA. We believe that EMA disclosure is too much because it will consume too much of time and resources. Implementations of EMA requires employees training in order to make sure that every employee understands that the disclosure standards and what should they do to achieve it. While training cost is one of the burdens, reimbursements have to be paid to the employees if they undergo the training after their working hours. Besides, EMA disclosure might cause the resistance of management or employees if they think it will not achieve significant results in the operations. Employees will feel overwhelmed at the prospect of implementing an EMS across the business because they are doing something that can be seen as unnecessary. That's all for my point.
Thank you for my opponent's valuable insight. However, we, the negative team, disagree that EMA is too much to be included in financial report. We believe that EMA disclosure should be included in financial report due to three reasons. As the first speaker, I will be talking about how EMA disclosure will improve the public image of a company, and our second speaker will be talking about how EMA can reduce operating costs in the future, and the third speaker will be talking about how EMA disclosure can uncover environmental costs. Now, as my opponent stated that EMA disclosure is too much to be included in financial report because it is too burdensome and it requires time and resources. However, according to Delmas and TOEFL in 2004, the implementation of EMA can improve the management efficiency. The implementation of EMA can integrate with other management systems in the company, which can improve the company's overall management systems, as well as reduce risk and waste from the environmental issue. Now, my main point that EMA disclosure should be included in financial report because it can improve a company's public image. According to Delmas and TOEFL in 2004, EMA disclosure will prevent pollution, preserve natural resources, reduce or mitigate environmental risk, and create an environmental friendly image with different stakeholders. As a result, your company will enhance customer trust, attract new customers, enter new market, and enhance employee morale. While the company's image has been improved, this can enable company to attract better talent, reduce talent attrition, as well as charging a higher price for the products or services. That's all from me.
Thank you, my opponent, for his valuable insight. So, the second speaker has tried to tell you that EMA will improve a company public image by reducing environmental risk. However, this is not true because it is hard to be noticed that small companies have implemented EMA. This is due to a majority of SMEs are not public listed companies. Therefore, the public will not be able to access the annual report of non-public listed companies, which cause the EMA and the other corporate governance disclosure will not be noticed by the public. It's not just that it's hard to be noticed, small businesses may find the processes of designing and implementing an environmental management plan to be challenging and cumbersome. Many small and medium companies lack the necessary resources or management training to create and pursuing documented procedures or establishing formal management review processes. For these reasons, the implementation of environmental management plans may fail. Our second reason why EMA disclosure is too much to be included is due to the high cost that comes along with the implementation. There are lots of costs that involve in the implementation of EMA. Company has to appoint EMA specialists to provide trainings for employees to make sure that they gain a deep knowledge about the standards and requirements of disclosing the EMA. The employees have to spend time and effort to learn the new system that is going to be implemented. The time and resources input have become a cost for the company to bear, and without guaranteeing it will be a success or not. Many SME might have not enough resources, especially financial resources, to implement in the EMA system. Therefore, we believe that the EMA is too much to be included in the financial report disclosure because it is high cost and uncertainty outcome. Thank you.
Thanks to the third speaker for the valuable points, but I would like to refute the point that's introduced by the third speaker. The cost that's spent in EMA can be treated as an investment capital. The company can highlight its business credential as an environmentally aware operations that has made a commitment to improve the environmental through advertising or annual reporting. According to Burek and Saka 2006, the benefits of EMA application included cost reduction innovations, cleaner productions, better product pricing, and increase the shareholder value. My point is, we believe that disclosure of EMA in financial reporting will help organizations to reduce the operating costs in the future. The EMA disclosure helps organizations to reduce costs by reducing the wasteful consumption of input resources. By reducing the wastage of resources, the organizations will have less chances to bear the cost of failures, such as process waste or clean up the environmental impact. Also, the organizations with EMA disclosure may find easier to raise funds from the public during their IPO. This is because EMA disclosure will help strengthen the fundamental value of an organization and attract the potential investor. In addition, organizations with EMA disclosure might find easier to apply loans or funds with lower interest rates from the bank or other financial institutions, because the large businesses and government departments prefer to deal with the businesses that have an EMA disclosure in order to increase their sales opportunity. That's all for my point.
Thank you for my opponent's valuable insight. My opponent has stated that EMA seems to will reduce the operating costs in the future. We as a affirmative team, we disagree with her statement. Although EMA seems to reduce some operation costs in the future, but there are some other operation costs such as training costs, cost of specialist appointment, and regulatory costs might be increased along the implementations. In addition, poor environmental management might result in great costs, including cost of failure. Therefore, this might cause the financial burden for the company, especially those small companies. Now, the last point we disagree with the EMA to be disclosed is because of the poor valuation technique. EMA estimates the social value of environmental goods and services in terms comparable to goods and services which are regularly traded. However, such valuation techniques are still imperfect, sometimes misleading, and often controversial. This is one of particular believe that EMA disclosure is too much to be included in financial reporting. This is because the EMA disclosure is too burdensome as it requires time and resources to conduct. There are also a lot of costs involved in the implementations of EMA. Time and resources input have also become a cost for a company to bear. And lastly, because of the valuations technique for environmental goods and services are still imperfect. That's all.
Thank you for my opponent's valuable insight. So, as my opponent stated that EMA disclosure is too much to be included in financial report because it has immature and poor valuation technique. However, according to Uni in 2009, EMA tools such as life cycle assessment, activity-based costing, and material flow cost accounting have been claimed to provide considerable benefits for implementing companies. It can assist the entities to measure comprehensively, including environmental concerns, in terms of performance management or evaluation. So my main point that we, the negative team, believes that EMA disclosure should be included in financial report because it can uncover environmental costs. Staniskis and Stashevsky in 2006 investigate the EMA implementation in Lithuania, and they found that EMA acts as a link between environmental aspects and shareholder value. The companies that utilize total cost assessment, flow cost accounting, and other types of comprehensive long-term financial analysis of cleaner production to identify financial indicators of cleaner product investment. The evaluation on EMA program in Lithuanian companies and analysis of 38 cleaner production investment projects revealed that EMA assisted companies to reduce their operating costs, better price the products, and saving the natural resources. They concluded that EMA enabled a company to uncover environmental costs which are commonly hidden in overhead costs and neglected by the managers. So, as a conclusion, we, the negative team, believes that EMA disclosure should be included in financial report due to 3 reasons. And these reasons are: EMA disclosure can improve a company's public image, EMA disclosure can reduce operating costs in the future, and EMA disclosure can uncover environmental costs. That's all from us. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much. Alright, for both opinion and affirmation, please give me what and how public image that the opponent and team dream of it. What and how the public image can enhance the environmental management accounting that you are dream of it.
What you meant was how EMA disclosure can improve the public image of the company. Right. So from our team, the negative team, our baseline is to include the EMA disclosure in financial report. Is to we believe that EMA disclosure can uncover the environmental costs, which usually hidden in overhead costs, which the managers do not public to the will make the info go public, which usually will not be accessed by the public. So when the public knows that the company done all the environmental stuff, which can improve the overall health of our Mother Earth, I believe that this will enhance their brand exposure as well as improve the public image. That's all from us.
Pardon, can you repeat the question?
What and how the public image can be improved in terms of the environmental management disclosure that your teams train of it, that you are aim for it, because you disagree that EMA shouldn't be part of that particular financial reporting, isn't it? And then what is the public image that you want to show to the society?
Teacher, you need a timer or not? 15 minutes. Counted.
Ask to my first speaker.
Environmental management accounting is too complicated for public, so to enhance maybe it can be more simplified so that the public can be easy to understand it.
All right, thank you very much.